guys, I'm just about to start the One Funnel Away challenge. Now this challenge is amazing because it teaches you how to create funnels from scratch, and you also have speakers like Russell Brunson and Steve Larsen. Now these guys are fantastic when it comes to funnels, and they have their own software called ClickFunnels. I'm sure you've heard about it, but what's important here is this training is amazing. It's 30 days and there's all the tasks every single day. There's accountability and all that great stuff. So the reason why I'm creating this video is because I'd like you to join me on this One Funnel Away challenge, because we are going to learn a lot from this. And to be honest, I actually tried this sometime last year and I did not finish it. And that was really frustrating because I was really learning a lot from this, but because of work and family, I could not continue. And once I fell behind a few days, I could not catch up because there was so much to do. But we have a unique situation right now where most people are at home, not at work, because of this this situation we're in with this virus. So I think, or in my opinion, this is the best time, and a lot of us have free time to really sit back and learn and focus without any distractions and learn how to build these funnels. Now, I am 100% convinced that these funnels could be the beginning of creating your new online business. So this is why I'm really emphasizing that if you have the ability and you have the money, it's $100 to join this, and it's going to start in 4 days. So if you have this $100, to be honest with you, if you finish this will be an investment, because the amount of information you're going to learn from this is going to be absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Even the Facebook group, I mean, the groups, they're very helpful in there, and you know, the community is great. So what I'm also prepared to do is, if you join this group, this challenge with me, just let me know so that we can also have our own live shows where we can, you know, teach each other or learn from each other what we've learned from the One Funnel Away challenge. And we can set up our own systems as well, because I'm keen on setting up online businesses, because right now I'm more than ever inspired to really make money online, because as you can see with this situation going on right now, this is, I would say, the safest way to have a side income, because you don't want to have a situation where you have your main source of income, which is your 9 to 5, and then once that dries up, you're stuck. So in my opinion, this will be the best $100 you'd have spent, because after this challenge, you'd have learned quite a lot of things. So join me and let's try this One Funnel Away challenge. It's only 4 days away, so you need to act really, really fast. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. See you on the One Funnel Away challenge.